this is Funmaker, and today we are going to do how to tutorial. Now this is a Ben 10 watch tutorial, so let's get it done. You will need a green marker, two green markers, any color. Not we need green color, a black marker. This is a mechanical pencil, scissors, uh, hot glue gun, some cardboard. You can use a cereal box cardboard, it's the best. Rubber band and a pencil, a compass to make circle, and you will need a ruler. And if you are going to add some lights to it, this is the green light tutorial. This is the green light one. You need a green LED, a button, a button, and where is it? And I got that LED from our Pop and 10 watch, so it comes with this circuit. Now speaker, battery, and etc were joined. I disconnected them, so it's so difficult now. And you will need some cable if you are going to do this one. And yeah, this is it. Let's roll into the second clip. Now guys, you will use a cardboard to draw an outline of the watch which you are making. Also this is Omniverse one, so let me draw the outline. Now guys, if you have your outline, now you should end up like this. You can copy this. Okay, this is 5 by 5. This is 7 centimeter. This is 5 centimeter, 5 centimeter square. Each each edge is 5 centimeter, and this is 12 centimeter, and this is 3 centimeter. Also you should do this in this over here. This is also 3 centimeter, and also you should get this thing. Now this is, sorry if it says 50, it is supposed to be 15 centimeter. This is not 50, this is 15 centimeter. Now these are 4 squares. Okay, 4 squares. I can't remember their dimensions. But these are 5 centimeter gaps. Okay, now cut them out. Now guys, if your cutout is being cut out, this is the finished product should look like. We need these 4. Okay, now I actually went back and checked these dimensions. It is 0, it is 1.1. This is from here it is 1. This is 1.1. This is 1.1 centimeter. Now you got to glue gun this part. Now take your glue gun. Wait, oops, sorry. Now it is back. Now I actually removed the glue gun from here. Now we need to assemble these into a row. We need 4 right here. Do this and take your scissors, cut them like this. Cut them like this. I have 4. Now this is the difficult part. Let's glue on all of these 4 areas. Wait, before we do that, we need to color these. Now take your marker and do this. One second. One second guys, technical problems. We are back. and take a ruler, put it right over here and check the dimensions. There's just two, so we need 1 and 2. So take this, put it at the corner. At this should be like this, and this should be probably, we need to save this 2 and 3. Where is it at? 1 second. 1 and 3. 1 and 3. 1 second. There is. Okay, this is the current one. Now, the thing is, we need to color at. This is it. Now let's copy this over here. Let's copy this. Now color this. Okay, color these 4 corners. Let's come back. Okay, color these 4 corners. Now we're back. Now we have colored these both. Now take this, and now we have to do is color the line like this. We need to do it like this at 4 corners. Let's do it. Now I have colored these like this. We need to color these like this, and take your line marker and outline. Now I got to change this. No battery. Now join them. Now guys, I actually hot glue gun it, and this is the finished product of the coloring. Color also this should probably match up, and if you are going to add, I think I just broke my circuit, so RIP. If you can see, this is a small thing. If it's on this watch, and we say it was a lighting feature that I can retrieve the circuit back, so it clicks and roll. Now guys, we need this piece which is 4x4 to put over here. Overhead, this is 4x4, and cut a circle. Now guys, I have punch a hole in the 4x4 one. Now what you need to do is glue gun this into this. Let's do this. Now guys, this part is complete, the ring and this thing. I actually colored it back. It should fade, and in the next scene I'm just going to make this thing and attach it. You should also, yeah. Now guys, sorry for the lighting. Take a compass and circle it and cut it. And we need to take that the 3, and we need to do this. Take this, cut it, and fill it, cut it as much size as you want for to put it on here. Okay. Now guys, we actually made this. As you can see, we actually need to put it right now, right over here, and attach the rubber band. Yeah, this is ready. Roll in the next clip. Okay, now guys, this thing has been put on by hot glue gun. Now we need to do one hole here, and attach our rubber band by cutting it half like this. Here's the rubber band. Take it, do it like this, and attach it right over here and right over here. Okay.